In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly transpose audio in Logic Pro 11. So in my Logic project, I've got a splice loop, which I've downloaded, but to make it sound a bit different to what it originally came as, I want to either increase or decrease the key that it's in. So I'll play the original splice loop. And to quickly transpose this, you want to go to the tracks area and find the track that has got your regions on that you want to transpose, and make sure that all of the regions are selected that you want to be transposed. And to do this, you can click on with your mouse, or I usually use the right arrow key once I'm in the tracks area and on the track that I want to select. And then the quickest way to transpose is to press either option up arrow or option down arrow, depending on how you want to change the key. There is a slight bug, so you might have to do this once or twice, depending on what happens. So let's give it a go. So you can see that it's transposed the audio. It did take me 2 attempts to get that transposed, but eventually it worked. But that is the method of how to transpose audio in Logic Pro 11. If you want to see more content like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more content.